Hello, welcome to Success Challenge 17 channel, YouTube. Thank you for making the time here. Now let's just make it a quick one here. This is a short video. We want to look at how to find your referrals, how to find your PAIDERA referrals. It's very important you are able to see the referrals people you have referred, and then you get to know them, or just see your referrals. So let's just sign into my PAIDERA account, for instance. Okay, once you sign into your PAIDERA account, it's very easy to locate where your referrals are. You simply scroll down, okay? Scroll down the page. And then you click on referrals. Have you seen it? So you know that you get up to $10. I saw 10 cents and above per referral for your first 25 referrals. And what happened is that once you get up to 25 referrals, it also increases the value or the amount of cents you earn from certain surveys. That is it. So again, you just log into your account area, scroll down and click on referrals, and you see your referrals there. This my referral is not yet verified, and so it's good your referrals when they verify. That's where you actually get your money. Thank you very much. If this video makes sense, continue subscribing to the channel. And if you have not joined PAIDERA yet, the link is in the description of the video. Thank you very much.